we going?
Dorney Park. We're going to Six Flags, I think, tonight.
Where are we going?
I think we're going to the magicalist place on Earth.
We're going to Disney.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, the rumors are true. We're going to Disney World today. And we're staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge. It is our first time at a deluxe resort. Bucket list item. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you to stay at Animal Kingdom Lodge?
Oh, I'm at a 12.
Let's go to Animal Kingdom Lodge.
I won 200.
Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah. I don't mind if you stay on my side, never let go. Oh, I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go.
Okay, you first walk in, little hallway. We are in a suite, right? Is this considered a suite? A 1-bedroom villa. You have a first bathroom. There's two bathrooms. So nice. Standard, pretty much standard bathroom, but I love these tiles. They are so cute. I'm a sucker for backsplash. I'm a sucker for tiling. Adorable. You could also do your laundry. Yeah. We have a kitchen.
Got plenty of room. You need to come back and you can all, when you come back at night, you can sit around. That's what's good.
Not that we'll be using this kitchen. An adorable dining set that my mom said that, look, the foot of the table are little hooves. A gorgeous living room. This pulls out. This bed pulls out. This is where Eric and I are sleeping. Oh, wow. Eric, this is a PG video, all right? And then this is the master bedroom where my parents are sleeping. I love this bed frame. Love that. Another really nice TV. A cute little desk. Just adorable. Look at this like lovely little Jurassic Park like lamp stand we got going on here. And then we have the giant bathroom in here. Shut up. A separate jacuzzi tub. Wow, look at this backsplash. Did you see this, Dad?
What's that?
This backsplash.
Yeah, the line
This is so cute.
Yeah.
A stand-in shower. This is a nice bathroom.
Yeah.
This is a really good bathroom. And then, of course, the main event, the absolute main event of this entire resort is the Savannah View. We got some ostriches out here. Hopefully we'll get to see some giraffes. But this is why you stay here.
Danielle.
For the animals.
Danielle, there's an animal behind you. Flip the camera. Oh, God.
Look, the red and collie cattle.
I thought you were about to point it out, maybe.
Oh my gosh, a giraffe. A giraffe, it just went behind the tree. Oh, wait a minute, it's coming. Here comes the giraffe. Any second now. Any second. There it is, boom. Giraffe. Oh my God, look how cool. That was so cool. My dad keeps calling the animals Kadani.
Jumbo.
Jumbo.
That's Jumbo.
Now it's time to unpack this mess and get ready for dinner.